Today we will be looking at Photoshop draping tutorial. First, I will take a picture from my file. Then I will delete the background of this image. Next, I will use a gradient for the background and make the subject a little bit bigger. Then I will take a draping image and remove background of it. Adjust the draping on the subject. Then I will select the layer of draping, Ctrl Shift I for inverse, and then select the masking of the subject. Take hard brush tool for delete the unnecessary area of subject. Then hide the layer of draping image. Take soft round brush tool for shadow. Discard it. Adjust the point. Press Alt key for copy the shadow. And that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you like the video, then subscribe my channel.